So now at How Hill, chilling out, a little bit sunburnt. I've got mad in sun myself, didn't realise. So my arms are red, back of my neck is. So I'm just having a little walk now. It's cooler. It's been red hot today. It's been beautiful. So yeah, we'll try and get a sunset later. Sun's going down. So yeah, we'll get that later. And I've got a new little friend with me, which I'll show you in a minute. I'm just going to a secluded place, nothing dodgy. Alright, see you in a bit. Right, I've made it to this secluded spot, so I'll show you my new friend and my new toy. It's called Rover. I think you can hear it. Here it comes. Check it out. Yeah, well, I treated myself to a DJI Mini 2, so just want to get some fancy shots with this on my travels. So I've been after one of these for a while, and they seem to be really good. So yeah, I thought I'd invest. So we'll get some. I've only just started using it, so I'm a little bit rusty. And obviously I was flying it earlier. I tried to catch it in my hand, and it's tasted blood already. So yeah, so it will have supernatural powers now. So yeah, so I'll just get used to this, and then we'll get some interesting shots. I'm going to try and get into St Benet's Abbey tomorrow. And the problem with there at the minute is they're doing some kind of construction work, so there's just half the moorings. So I'm going to try and get in. I don't usually like mooring around there because it's a little bit bonkers. Just, you know, boats are just going mad, full pelt. So yeah, I want to stay the night obviously, but I'll be out of there next morning. But we'll have a little wander around St Benet's Abbey, and we'll get this guy, Rover. We'll get him out and about there, see what we can see, try and catch something special. I'm not going to do it round here, How Hill, because I just need a bit more experience, and I'm scared of this sucker going into water, which obviously I don't want. I've just bought it, and that costs like 550 quid with all the, you know, accessories, so I want to be careful. But St Benet's Abbey, I think we'll be all right. I think we'll be blessed around there, so we'll give it a shot tomorrow. So I'm going to head back to the boat now and have a little wander around. Sunset's nearly here, and with all my videos, I'll always try and get you a sunset or a sunrise. So let's try and do that. We'll just have a little wander around How Hill, you know, catch something nice, catch something good on the camera. So yeah, I'll see you back down there. Alrighty. I'm moored opposite the windmill at How Hill, and that is a superb shot for sunsets. I don't know if you know that, but you know, you used to see this on a lot of postcards back in the day. So we'll hopefully, I don't know if it's the wrong time of year, but usually that sun usually sets just behind that windmill. So obviously because it's 1st of June, I'm hoping sun's going to probably go that way a little bit. I'm not sure, but we'll have a look anyway. But just a hot spot for you know, catching a good sunset. On this little walk on How Hill here, on this long path, this little bit here, probably around 15 years ago. I used to have a dog called Jack. He's obviously gone now. But he was walking on here and he decided to go down there, fall in and go right out to them reeds. Now these reeds wasn't cut back like this, they were really high. So I went and stood in that water and I went straight up to my neck in water, and I had to crawl on my belly, swim out and crawl on my belly to go and grab him and pull him all the way back. And I just got that weird feeling that I shouldn't, you shouldn't do things like that. But my dog, what can you do? So if you hit the subscribe button for me, that would be fantastic. It'd help me get to 1,000. That's all I'm bothered about, getting 1,000. Not 100,000, anything like that. Just 1,000 subscribers. So if you like the video for me, and yeah, hit the algorithms there to help out, that'd be great. I did want to go down there and film that windmill, but it's closed off. Everything in life, blockades everywhere. So I'm going to call it a night here. I'm going to gut a boat. I'm going to relax, have a nice warm drink, feel a bit shivery with a sunburn. So, I'm going to end the day soon. A little bit early, but, I'm going to sleep like a log and then get up nice and early tomorrow and prepare for leaving How Hill. So tonight I'm just going to read a book a little bit. I've got a book with me. It's about the Orb, Alex Patterson, ambient house from the 90s. So believe it or not, I did used to be a raver in the 90s, and I did used to have hair. So, yeah, so that's going to be good for me. Maybe not interesting for you, but for me it is. I'm full of nostalgia. So I'm going to head back to the boat, read that, relax, and I'll see you in the morning. So over and out for now.